subscribe to my channel Dear Tutorial and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. These days it's hard to find any people who doesn't use Facebook. The more days passes, the more people are getting engaged with Facebook and the more it has the risk of getting hacked. To know how to stay safe from getting your account hacked, stay with me until very end. Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel DIR Tutorials. This is Rami and today I am going to show you how to enable 2FA. But before that I would like to explain about 2FA. What is 2FA? 2FA simply means two-step verification or two-factor authentication system. You may have heard this word from your bank account for online transaction security. So what it does and how it can protect us. Activating 2FA, it requires one-time password, or you can say it OTP, which generated in every 30 seconds that can be sent through email or mobile to that authenticated person. So if any other person even try to log in your account, they still need to have that OTP. Without that OTP, they can't log into your account. So that's how it protects our account from hackers. Now I'll show you how to enable 2FA. Just follow me. First, open a browser on your PC and then log in to your Facebook account. I'll write here my password and ID. On your mobile device, just open the Facebook app. On PC, click on this icon and then click on Setting tab. On mobile, click here and then scroll down to Setting and Privacy tab. Click on it, then click on Setting tab. After that, again scroll down to Security on your mobile and click on Security and Login tab to see 2FA on both PC and mobile device. Now click on Use Two-Factor Authentication tab and edit to enable 2FA. The process is same for both devices and I will show you just only on PC. Click on Get Started button. Select the method that you want to select. For my case, I want OTP on my mobile. After selecting text service, hit the next button and then Facebook will send me one password on my mobile number, which I have to put it here to verify myself. If you want to use authentication app, then you have to select the second method. For that, you will need to have at least Google Authenticator app on your device. Now let's see how it works. If I try to log into my account, then I won't be able to access my account unless I give the OTP. So this is how it helps protect your Facebook account by adding another password. That's it guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.